cry no more. It's been too long and we need to ride some more. If you're ready to escape that thunderstorm, just put that thing into drive. I'm so alive because I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. Cause I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. I've got that good feeling. I've got that good feeling. Good vibration. Ooh, good feeling. Good vibration. Ooh, good feeling. I've been traveling for so long now, you know, around these islands, just to show with a good meditation can cause a good vibration, turn a bad situation to a fine afternoon. Sing I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. Cause I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. So listen up. So we gonna fill your cup because we like the joy that it brings us. And yes, we take it everywhere that we go. So people will throw these big love grenades and we're on target almost every time. So we got the eye for the good vibeless people. No, we don't care about things that try to bring us down. And I gotta let you know that I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. Cause I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. So if you want it, you can get it. Ain't no place like this out better. Take you out that zone and you'll never be alone. Plus, the sun's about to shine down on me and light up that system universally. And I don't wanna see you cry no more. It's been too long and we need to ride some more. If you're ready to escape that thunderstorm, just put that thing into drive. I'm so alive because I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. Cause I've got that good vibration. Cause I've got that good feeling. I've got that good feeling. I've got that good feeling.
If we all put our problems in a bag, which bag would you grab? Would you wanna trade or would you take on what you had? Would you hate your cards and even fold your hand? Or open up your heart, grateful for what you have? Everyone's got their problems. Let's focus on the good, we can solve them. Whether it's hot or raining, let's stop complaining. We got some living to do. We got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. Giving up's not an option. So come on and climb this mountain with me. With all of your friends surrounding, we have found that life's worth living again. You don't have to be afraid you're gonna fall apart. Sometimes life's a masterpiece, you paint it in the dark. And that's when you know how beautiful you are. When you smile through your scars. So we got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. We got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. Yeah. When life is getting tough, don't you be giving up. Whether it's silly stuff or even if it's serious.